Someone asked me, so what's the secret of success? It is the people. It is the extraordinary level of dedication. And it is putting kids first that make success so very, very special.
We have spent the last 7 weeks training adults on content and our school design.
We are at New York Law School for LTI 2024. This year, for the first time, we are spending 3 days training our teachers on our new content design.
We are at the Glass House. We are welcoming 700 teachers. This is beyond what we've done before because they are part now of an extraordinary community.
We're at the Javits Center, so we wanted our teachers to experience the scope of the change. Here we are at this really fabulous setting to learn about all the new content.
I was really hard on myself my first day teaching, and if it wasn't for Miss Molina at that moment, I would have never been able to experience some of the great things that I did, and one of the biggest things was seeing my kids graduate.
I'm so excited for all of you because you are going to meet so many amazing children this year and touch so many individual lives. We care a lot about the ultimate outcome. We don't just focus on inputs. We make sure that we are delivering on our promise to scholars and families.
When you come into the school, there is an assumption of excellence. And it sounds innocuous, but it is like a total shift in how you view the world. Your teachers look at you and they are thinking and they are telling you, you got this.
The teachers at Success Academy taught me how to speak English, taught me the American way of learning on top of history, on top of science, on top of taking Regents exams, and the fact that it accumulated to me landing where I am is amazing. Success Academy will teach these kids, I'm saying Success Academy, but you teachers will teach the kids that they can handle a lot of things.
I believe this moment in time is the most important moment in Success Academy's history. We are at 57 schools and we are launching this brand new reverse engineered K-12 content that is amazing. I have never seen anything this good.